What's up, guys? So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so today I got something to show you. Today I have this. Yeah, as you can see, it's my first vehicle. It's a G Touring. It's a G Touring Corolla. I think it's an EE 103. Yeah, it's an EE 103 Toyota Corolla 1994 model, I think. I'm not that sure. It needs just a little love. As you can see, the previous owner tried his best in maintaining the vehicle right here. Yeah, it's on coil springs. It's not on the leaf springs. Yeah, so that's the general overview of the vehicle. As you can see, it's a KAN with a 5A engine. I believe that wasn't the original engine. I think the owner changed it. Alikuwa ameniambia kitu kaa hiyo. I'm not sure. Okay. Everything is just. So I'm going to try and open the bonnet so you can have a look. Yeah, the engine. Yeah. Actually, for a first timer, this is one of the best vehicles you can get. Yeah. So that's the general overlook of the engine. As you can see, it's a 5A engine. Unaweza ona hapa penye imeandikwa. I don't think so. Okay. Unaiona hiyo ndo condition. That's how the engine is. That's how the vehicle looks. Radiator, I think hii kitu imeconnectiwa direct kwa battery. Yeah, it's a N65. The bigger battery, although hizi vehicles tumiangi hizi battery kubwa, but most people prefer to have fun and all. Yeah, the engine doesn't look so bad. Yani nataka tu upendo kidogo, pendwa tu kidogo. Yeah, so it's a 5A engine. Yeah, don't worry why I keep on skipping the video. The road is quite busy. If you actually happen to know where I am, pin down on the comments, and you'll be the first subscriber to get a ride in the new wagon. It's a wagon. So guys, I'm going to show you the interior. See, it has coil spring. Kubwa sana. Yeah. We'll give you a general overview of the vehicle, how it looks, and then maybe niwapeleke test drive with a new vehicle. Yeah, doesn't look so bad. Bumpers, I think the original. It's a two-tone color. Let me show you the interior. So this is the interior. This is how the vehicle looks. Yeah. Ukiwa hapa the driver, it's not so bad. That's how the vehicle looks. That's the interior. That's the back seats. Original interior. Haina mambo na sijui stitching nini. Hii mwenyewe amekuwa akiitunza vizuri. Ilikuwa ya pasta. Unaona hapa, it's written in Kikuyu. Someone translate that for me. Don't know if you all can see that, but yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Power windows. The doors ziko sawa. The windows function. The bonnet doesn't look too good, but we can do with it. I mean, it's going to be like my first project. Let me get in close. Yeah. And see, like there's leg room. It's a good vehicle. It's comfy. It's actually quite comfy. Msijali mora, nimejaza manguo kwa gari. The place I am is really cold, so unaweza guess niko wapi. Haha. Nakupeleka lunch. So this car, okay. So we want us to go for a test drive with you guys. These are the keys. Quite basic. Tatafuta ile push to start. Ile tunafinya inaguruma. Let me hear from you guys what you think. Let's go for a test drive. Okay, we don't wanna get copyrighted. It's an automatic gearbox. Najua wengi wenu mtasema, Maish, mbona ununue automatic? Mbona ukutafuta manyo kama wanaume wengine? Mbona ukutafuta automatic kama wanaume wengine? And I would say, let's say basically for the price that mtu alikuwa ananipea hii gari nayo. And the condition like yenye iko, hata nyinyi guys mnazoona, this vehicle is in quite a good condition. The vehicle is a good condition, very nice, very clean. Let's go for a road tests. The Sunset. That's a Subaru Leon. That's actually another great project car. And I don't think a lot of people really buy it. Siipendi juu ya hiyo tire inakwanga kwa bonnet. It looks awkward. Make sure you're looking left, right. My world map over there. As I said, this will be my adventure car. We'll be making a lot of videos with it. We'll be doing a lot of things with it. You know, just generally. Yeah. And I think the vehicle is quite good. I like it. The speeding, as you can see, let me show you. Let me try and speed up. The picking is quite great. Hata kama miguu zinahitaji alignment kidogo tu, si sana. Sika alignment inapimwa na kidogo. Actually, some of the things that I think I'll be doing, vitu za nitakuwa nafanya kwa hii gari, maybe ni some coilovers, you know, some what else? System, it's fine. The audio system, I think it's fine for now. Sina haraka nayo. Place naishi hakunanga kelele, as in mnaona mimi nakaa Ocha. I'm not like those vloggers from Nairobi. Mimi si wa Nairobi. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yep. So this is a test drive. Mnavyoona. It's going pretty well. Let me try and lower this a little bit. Yeah, the vehicle is moving on fine. As you can see, the driving is fine. I'm actually enjoying the ride. The vehicle is great, and everything works. Maybe the C doesn't work for some reason, but everything else top notch. Wow. I actually like the current ride height. I like it. Yeah, guys. Tell me in the comment section what you'll mnaweza zinasema in the comment section mniambie mnaweza kuwa na daily what kind of things, what kind of projects. Naambia road trips tunaenda. We're going actually, I think plan kwenda Naivasha very soon. After doing some minor touch-ups here and there. I know the vehicle will be fine. The vehicle will be able to do all that. The road trips. Come on, also maybe you have a project car yourself. You can maybe you call on you on a road trip. You can get me at my email. Just comment down below. If you have a road trip group, we can be going. Wale wa kufika Namanga, the Roller Nation finally. Roller Nation nimekuwa like I've been one of their subscribers. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe first. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As I was saying, Roller Nation, heads up to those guys. Maybe I'll be joining them soon. Niunde gari kidogo, niunde moti. I make the vehicle a bit better. Yeah, let me show you the drive. As you can see, the vehicle is stable. No fancy things. This is just old pure tech technology. Actually, this vehicle is older than me. I know that. That vehicle is older than me. I like the way it changes gears. It just changes smoothly. It shows how the owner maintained the vehicle. That's why maybe mtasema manual. I don't care. I liked the offer and I like the vehicle. Generally, I can swap the gearbox for a manual one if I want sometime later. Let me make a stop right here and I'll see you guys then. Let me give you guys quick glimpse. The mighty EE 143. That's how it looks generally. Msijali mbona imepigwa fila. That's normal. The car is more than 30 years old, I think. Wheels, good condition. Scare the way it's hard. It's a touring for the tours we'll be making. My planet keeps on falling. We are here currently. Don't know if you see. We're in Africa currently, in Kenya, right here. Nataka to travel. Hii gari nataka ifike South Africa. Tell me what I should do. Hii gari lazima ifike South Africa. Steering na shuku si hiyo. Honi na hii. Don't know if you can hear that. So yeah, let me get back. Let me get back to you guys. Hey, this vlog. See the back seat. Very comfortable. Beba watu 7 kwa hii gari. Kama matatu. So guys, like some features about this vehicle. Like ukiangalia hapa, right there, that button you're seeing right there. If I happen to like press the button, acha msikie, it starts beeping. If anyone knows what that means, I don't know. I don't know if that's on or it's off. Let me just press it again. Yeah. So it's this button right over here. This is the button that I'm telling you guys. Angalia hebu kwanza sikieni tena. You hear that? If I press it, it kinds of beeps. A beeping noise is made. I don't know from where. I don't understand. Someone tell me. Mtu anichanue. Comb me. Picture. Look at that. In that a clean car. It's ni gari safi. And the seats bado zina move. Bado zina recline. All that. The vehicle is great. The handling is great. Gari road trip najua hii tunaenda. Namanga, where else? Uganda. Like kama Ongachi. Ongachi kama unaona hii video. You're one of my inspirations. Ongachi. Kuna these two couples, Lynn and wow. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, guys. Right now I'm really hyped up. Nilikuwa nimetumiwa some pictures before. Sijui kama nitaweza kuwekea hapa the vehicle and hata nyinyi mnaona, like look at that. Guys, I'm here. Take a stop. To like wanna go explain here how everything went on. Then kapata na ujamaa and all that. I know the light is not doing me justice. Okay. So say I was referred by some guy to this actually the owner. Aliniuzia the vehicle. Yeah. And he was a pastor, I think. it's true. Wenyewe gari ilikuwa na madoa mingi za kanisa, you know those they put rosaries, wengine wanaandika kwa windscreen, all that. Yeah. So niliendanga nikabuy the car. Actually, so guys, don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel, na tutaendelea kugrow pamoja, and yeah, big up.